Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add categories in your Hostinger website builder online store. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, visit Hostinger or visit hpanel.hostinger.com. Log in to your Hostinger account and go to websites. Here you will see a list of the available websites on your online store, and next to the websites that you want to add or assign products to categories, click on Manage Product Store. This way you will go straight to the store management area of your website. Now let's go to products. Here you will see the available products on your online store, and to assign, for example, this face serum product to a category, there are two ways. The first way is by visiting this editing product page and go down or scroll down to categories, and here click on assign to category or add new. Since this the available categories is this wireless headphone, which is not correct. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Since this the available categories is this wireless headphone, which is not correct, so I will go, for example, with beauty. Let's create a beauty category, click on add, and now new category is added to the online store and automatically selected for this product. Click away on this, and as you see, this product is assigned to this category. Now click on save. Now, I'm not sure. Yes, your changes aren't live yet. You need to publish your site for your product changes to go live. Now, click on Publish in Editor. This and click on Update Website. And now that my website is updated, the product is correctly assigned to its beauty category. Now, let's go back to the store management area to see the second way to create categories for your online store. So click on products and then click on categories. As you see here on this online store, I have three categories. The first one called all products with all the products assigned to it. I also have the second category that I called beauty, and the existing one that I created before called wireless headphone. To add a new category, simply click on this button. Give your category or new category a name. For example, let's go with, new category name. For example, with face. For example, for here you can also assign products to this newly creating or the new category that you are willing to create. For example, this hand soap is good for hand soap. No, I'm looking for the face serum. This is one. This is good. As you see, first select the product to assign, and here you are required to click on save unless or your product will not be assigned. So how to click on save? I will zoom out on my computer. If you don't know how to zoom out, simply go to view on Google Chrome and click on zoom out. Now click on save, and just like that, this product will be assigned to this new category called face. Now click on save again. And as you see, my new category is added or created with the with this product assigned to it. To delete a new category, simply click on these three dots and select delete. Are you sure you want to delete selected wireless headphone category? Click on yes or click on delete. And just like that, the category is deleted. To make sure that all of those changes are live or published online, click on edit website and update your website from this corner. And this is how to add new categories to your online store, how to assign products to specific categories, and also how to delete categories in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.